Students, I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to our today's English class. Now, we completed the course of English in Marigold as well as from your grammar gate. Now, I'm repeating once again that we are going to do Unit 7. Okay? And this Unit 7 is not going to be there in your exam. If you remember, we haven't covered Unit 7, Topsy-Turvy Land and Gulliver's Travel, right? So, we will be just doing this. You will not get any PDF for this, okay? We will be understanding the poem and the chapter of Unit 7. Okay, students? So, today we will be doing the poem Topsy-Turvy Land. Now let us see. Open page number 110 of your textbook Marigold. Have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? The first question is asked. Have you ever thrown your bag on school bed? Or have you ever thrown your school bag on bed? Yes. What we do? We have the habit, no? घर गए, बैग उतारा, सीधा सोफा पे रख दिया, बोले बहुत थक गए, है ना? Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? कभी socks and shoes को ऐसे ही निकाल के फेंक दिया है? हाँ, किया है. घर में जाते ही एक शूज उधर, दूसरा शूज उधर, है ना? Have you ever played with your ball in your room? कभी बॉल के साथ खेले हो? हाँ, खेलते हैं ना? बैट एंड बॉल. बुक को बैट बनाओगे और फिर बॉल से खेलोगे, फिर घड़ी भी टूटेगी, सब टूटेगा, है ना? खेला ही होगा. Does your room sometimes look like this? It means, did your room ever look like this mess? कुर्सी नीचे गिरी है, बैट यहाँ है, शूज़ यहाँ है, बुक्स यहाँ है, बैग बेड पर है, पेंसिल पेन सब कैसे कैसे पड़ा हुआ है. कभी आपका रूम ऐसा है, हुआ है? मम्मी मारेंगी, है ना, ऐसा करोगे तो, right? So it's a question asked. Have you ever done this? Yes, sometimes. बच्चे हैं तो हो जाता है, right? So let us see. अब ये why these questions are asked in this poem? What is the relation of these questions in the poem? चलो देखते हैं poem में क्या है. So look on the next page. Let us see. Now read about one such upside down land. So here in this poem we are going to study about an upside down land. Yes, students? It means that we are going to study about the land which is topsy-turvy. Which is the meaning of topsy-turvy? It means upside down. पूरा उल्टा ही चलता है ये. ऐसा नहीं कि दुनिया उल्टी है. It means it goes reverse. Okay, जो हम नहीं करते वो लोग वो करते हैं. Let us see what are the things that they do which are upside down for us. The people walk upon their heads. Wow. How do they walk? We walk on our feet, right? हम अपने पैरों पे चलते हैं ना, वो अपने सर से चलते हैं. The sea is made of sand. Have you ever heard sea made of sand? No. Wherever we see sand, what do we call them? We call them desert. और sea में क्या होता है? In sea we have water. In sea we have water, right? But they are having sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. Wow, रात को स्कूल चलती हैं उनकी. So in topsy-turvy land, what happens? They walk. First thing, they walk upon their heads. Second, the sea is made of sand. And third, the children go to school at night. The front doorstep is at the back. अब घर के आगे का दरवाज़ा कहाँ पर है? पीछे है. कभी ऐसा होता है कि मेन गेट पीछे होता है घर के? नहीं होता ना. So what happens in topsy-turvy land? The door is at the back. You are walking when you stand. अगर now what does the second line mean? It means that if you are standing, अगर एक जगह पे खड़े हो जाते हो, इसका मतलब होता है वो चल रहे हैं. हमारा क्या होता है? हम एक जगह पे खड़े हो गए, it means we are standing, right? But what about topsy-turvy land people? if they are standing, it means you are walking. Okay, you wear your hat upon your feet. अब टोपी हम कहाँ पहनते हैं? सर पे पहनते हैं. वो टोपी कहाँ पहनते हैं? पैरों में पहनते हैं. क्योंकि अगर सर पे पहनेंगे, दे वॉक अपॉन देयर हेड्स, तो टोपी तो गिरी जाएगी ना. तो टोपी कहाँ पहनते हैं वो? सी ओवर हियर ऑन देयर फीट. इन टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड. अजीब दुनिया है ना. देखिए कभी ऐसी दुनिया, देखिए. फाइंड आउट विच पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड दिस टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड. ओके, एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड कहाँ है. Okay, this is today's question for you all. So, the people, what we learned today in 2 paragraphs, the people walk upon their heads. They are walking upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school at night. Next, the front door is at the back. Where they walk when they are standing, and they wear their hats on feet. So this is there in the 2 paragraphs. पूरा उल्टा है ना. चलो, let's see what the last 3 paragraphs says. And buses on the sea you will meet. It means where does buses run? हमारे buses कहाँ चलते हैं? हमारे buses रोड पे चलते हैं ना, पर उनके buses कहाँ चलते हैं? सी में. और सी किससे बनी हुई है? सैंड से बनी हुई है. Their buses run on sea, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets. So pleasure boats means जिस boats ऐसे ही जो जाती है ना सी में, ऐसे boats होती है हमारे, right? So उनकी boats कहाँ चलती है? On roads. हमारी boats सी में होती है, हमारी boats पानी में चलती है ना. इनकी boats कहाँ चलती है? Streets पे चलती है. Up and down means going front, coming back. Okay, so their buses run on the sea, and boats they travel on roads. कहाँ पर? टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड में. नेक्स्ट, you pay for what you never get. वाव, हम पैसे तो देते हैं पर हमें वापस चीज़ नहीं मिलती है. कभी ऐसा हुआ है? दुकान पे गए, 10 रुपये दे के आए और कुछ लेके नहीं आए, मम्मी मारेगी. 10 रुपये रख के आ गए, वापस भेजेंगी लेने के लिए, है ना. सो what happens in topsy-turvy land? In topsy-turvy land you pay but you never get. पैसे तो देते हो लेकिन चीज़ नहीं मिलती है. I think it must be grand, for when you go you are coming back. So, और सबसे grand means what's a big thing over here? Okay, now in our land what do? When we say I am going, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हम चले जाते हैं ना. But in topsy turvy land what happens? If you say I am going, इसका मतलब you are coming. और अब बोलते हो you are coming, it means you are going. उल्टा है ना. topsy turvy land, that's what it says, upside down, right? So what is a big thing over here? When they say they are going, they are actually coming back in topsy turvy land. So what all we saw, what all things are upside down in topsy turvy land? They walk on their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school at night. The front door is at the back, right? Then when you are walking, you walk when you are standing. Okay, you wear hat upon your feet. The buses travel on sea. The boats travel on roads, right? And when you pay, you never get a thing in return. And next, last, when you are going, actually you are coming back. And where does all this happen? It all happens in topsy-turvy land. So I hope you enjoyed today's poem. Tomorrow we'll continue with the story of Gulliver's travel. Okay? If you didn't understand, you can ask in the comment section, and do let me know where is the topsy-turvy land in the world. Okay? So, see you. Have a nice day ahead.